What's going on, YouTube? So I just want to share with you guys a little deal that I picked up. I think you guys may be aware of this. I think I heard some other channels talking about them anyway. This is the Heritage Security Products ammo cans from Costco. You get a 50 caliber ammo can and a 30 caliber ammo can for 18 bucks. I don't have a Costco membership, but I have a buddy at work who does, and I asked him if he wouldn't mind go ahead and picking me up a set of these, and he did, no problem. So just wanted to show it to you guys real quick. So this is the outside is the 50 cal ammo can, and inside here we've got another 30 caliber ammo can. Now these do have the seals and everything on them. Even comes with a little silica pack. Nice, pretty nice size. We'll see how much ammo we can fit in that thing. Then we've got this 30 caliber one as well. Cut this open real quick. Yeah, there. Inside we have this nice, decent size 30 caliber one as well. And also comes with the silica pack inside of there. Also, so good deal, man, for 18 bucks to get two full metal ammo cans with the seals around the top, everything. So if you guys got a membership to Costco, or you know somebody who does, definitely check out that deal. It's a pretty good one. Heritage Security Products. Y'all have a great day. We'll check you out later. Thanks for watching.